Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ginataang Tulingan, a delicious Filipino fish stew. First, ensure your mackerel scad is fresh and properly cleaned, then slice it into serving portions. Measure out 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of coconut cream for richness. Finely chop your onion, garlic, and ginger to prepare the aromatic base. Make sure to have your green chilies and fish sauce ready, as these will add the signature flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your pot over a comfortable medium heat. Add the chopped ginger first, sautéing it gently for about 1 minute until its aroma fills your kitchen. Next, introduce the chopped garlic, cooking it for just 30 seconds, ensuring it doesn't brown too quickly. Finally, stir in the chopped onion and continue to cook until it is beautifully softened and translucent, usually taking around 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully arrange the cleaned mackerel scad slices over your aromatic base in the pot. Next, pour in the 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk, making sure the fish is almost completely covered. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and the 2 green chilies for that essential spice and depth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the fish becomes perfectly tender. Now, gently stir in the 1 cup of rich coconut cream into your simmering stew, which adds a luxurious texture. If you like, incorporate 2 cups of fresh spinach or bok choy, allowing them to wilt into the sauce for extra nutrition and color. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more fish sauce or a tiny pinch of salt if needed. Let the dish cook uncovered for approximately 5 more minutes, letting the sauce reduce and thicken beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.